much of what you're doing as you journey through life is to continually expand your personality. Is there something small that you can do on a daily basis that would incrementally improve you, that would lead to an expanding transformation of your productive ability and your ability to function in the world across time? You have your own nature, and it's best to work with it rather than against it. You don't want to just win, you want to get better while you play, right? So you want to find a partner who's as good as you, or maybe even slightly better. And then that puts you on the edge, right? Edge of what? Edge of the development of your perceptions, your attention, and your action. So you become a more skilled player. If you're disagreeable and self-centered, you can learn to do well for others by practice. If you're too agreeable and you sacrifice to others, you can dispense with your resentment and learn to stand up for yourself. These are things that everybody needs to know, and they're not only of abstract intellectual interest, they're extraordinarily practical. You need to know about personality to hire people properly and to place them and to promote them, and to do the same with yourself. It helps you understand your children better, it helps you understand your wife better. We deal with personalities all the time. We are personalities. You'll walk through dream analysis with Freud and analysis of religious mythology with Carl Jung and analysis of the dark tetrad personality types. You'll learn about communicating with others, negotiating with others, and developing your own personality, for better or for worse.